Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I'm going to be reacting to this video I found. I've never seen it before. It's called 4 Nasty / Disrespectful Lyft / Uber Riders Must See. So since we must see this, I wanted to check it out. Also, before we get started, I wanted to mention this app called Solo. If you haven't heard of it, it's this awesome app for rideshare drivers and gig workers. They'll help you get guaranteed pay, they'll help with taxes, they'll track your mileage. They have so many other amazing features for gig workers, so be sure to check that out. We have a link in the description, and if you use that link to sign up and link your gig account, they will send you $10 just completely for free, as long as you have PayPal or Venmo, so you can get that money. Also, if you want to check out my personal YouTube channel, it's called Izzy Priest. There will also be a link in the description for that. Alright, so let's get started with this video. So yeah, I've never seen this before, so let's check it out.
Some really trashy, really disrespectful Uber and Lyft passengers. This is the kind of job that I definitely get watching these clips.
Okay, so a drunk woman tries to pull the old cancel the ride mid-trip routine. Okay, yeah, so just by the way, if you didn't know this, sometimes passengers will cancel their ride mid-trip and hope that the driver doesn't notice, which they always do. You can't really get away with that. I don't know why people still do that, but basically they won't have to pay for the ride, or they think they won't have to pay for the ride if they do that. So I guess that's what's gonna happen in this clip. Said it spent a bit too much at the bar tonight. Don't really feel like paying $20 for this ride, but I can cancel and still get taken home. He won't notice until the ride's over, and besides, he can't just put me out. Although, isn't it weird seeing a passenger like in the front seat? Is that just me? I feel like that's so weird. Okay, so yeah, now she's canceling the ride.